Okay guys, back to the answers hub. Let me just flick this over. What we'll see is it's a question from Brian. The guys have chipped in, but I'll quickly show you what it is. It says, you notice that my FIB retracement, right? First of all, the tool that you see is actually a FIB extension. And because I only use the extension components, 127, 161, I don't need the internals apart from the 50. So let me quickly show you how it's set up. It doesn't matter about the chart because my drawings are the same on each one. So the difference is a retracement is this, which would be there. And what we can see is it's got its key levels in 0 to 100, broken up with the key Fibonacci numbers, which is the 23.6, 38.2, 50, 61.8, and 76.4. That's the retracement criteria. And why do I use this quite a lot? Well, that's actually a good example. There is the drive up. It came down. It started to stall in on the 23, came down as respected in and around the 38, dropped to the 50, went all the way through. And then when you look for it coming back until that 0 and 100 is broken, each one of these levels will become respected. Bang, 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 all the way. Okay, so that's the retracement section. Now, if I'm looking for an expansion, it's this tool here, which is a Fibonacci extension. So if we just draw it into the same way, which is like so. The only bit that I'm really interested on this is the 50 when I'm looking at the expansions, and then there are the expansion points. Now, your question as to why these are 25, 50, 75 is because I break up positions into equal portions and it helps me work out the madness. So if you go into the madness module, you'll see how madness works, and this tool helps me apply it. It's just a very quick measuring tool that works some of the math out for me. Now, if I click it into here, you can see all the settings and you can change whatever you want. You can put any number you want in there and then just click apply, and that's it. That easy. Catch you soon.